Apache Airflow versus Azure Data Factory. So Apache Airflow is an open source workflow orchestration platform. It's built for scheduling, automating, and monitoring data pipelines with a strong focus on code-driven workflows. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is open source and flexible. It is highly customizable with no vendor lock-in. It also offers Python-based workflows. They have a strong visualizations, which is called the DAG or the Directed Acyclic Graph. They also offer large ecosystems, and they have an enterprise scale. The cons is though, they have a complex setup and could require for the technical expertise to deploy, and it's not real time. It's geared towards batch processing rather than streaming data. And they are having maintenance burdens, which is means you handle scaling, updates, and reliability. Now Azure Data Factory, on the other hand, is a factory fully managed cloud-based data integration service by Microsoft. It helps businesses design, schedule, and orchestrate data pipelines across cloud and on-the-premises systems. Now let's talk about its pros and cons. So for the pros, it is fully managed with the service. There's no server setup, scaling, or maintenance required. They also have low-code and no-code interface. They have a deep Azure integration, and they have a hybrid connectivity, which means you can move data between cloud and on-prem environments. And they have a pay-as-you-go pricing, which is very cost-efficient. Now, the cons to consider is though they have a vendor lock-in, they have less developer flexibility, and the cost can add up. So overall, choose Apache Airflow if you want control or flexibility and an open source orchestration platform that can run on any environment. And then choose Azure Data Factory if you want a fully managed, low maintenance, cloud native solution with deep integrations.